Hi there, I'm Brandon, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite HubSpot tricks. This is how I get today's date into HubSpot as a CRM value. Now, I don't know why HubSpot doesn't do this natively. It seems like it has a lot of uses. For example, if you have today's date in there, you can do calculated properties, like how many days has it been since someone was on my website? How many days is this invoice overdue? How many days are left in this person's subscription? There's just a ton of functions that you can use, but you have to have today's date in there as a CRM value. There are some outside tools that will do this. I know InCycle is one. Tried a lot of those tools, and ultimately I found that the best way to do it is just through regular HubSpot workflows. So let me show you how I do it. First, you have to build a field called today's date across every one of your objects. Contacts, companies, any custom objects that you have, deals. That's step one. Build a date field called today's date on every one of your objects. Step two, you need to build a workflow that populates each one of those. Sounds tedious, but they're really simple workflows. So this is one of them. This is a trigger-based workflow. So the first trigger is if today's date is unknown. So anytime something is created, this is going to grab it and automatically enroll them and stamp today's date. The second set of criteria here is if someone's today's date is more than 1 day ago, they're automatically going to enroll in here. Of course, it's important that you have re-enrollment for every time either of these criteria are met. So what does the workflow do? It's really basic. Once someone enrolls, there's one step and it takes today's date and it sets it to the date of the step. That's it. Once you have this turned on, you want to build it across all of your objects. It's going to enroll every object every day, which sounds like a lot, and it is a lot, but there's a ton of uses that you have for this. And I'll go through some of those in another video, another blog post. But for now, this is how I prefer to set up a today's date process in field in HubSpot. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.